never seen this happen before, where the whole one side's closed, the whole length of the bridge. I've never seen it closed like that. Hey, I'm recording the wrong way. I thought I had it right. Yeah, this bridge is closed on the whole one side, all the way. I've never seen that happen. See, I think I've had little sections of it. They're doing some major work down here. One guy working, three guys talking. Over there's Mackinac Island. Back this way, there's a boat back there. I don't know if you can see a ore boat or some kind of shipping boat out there. Sorry, you got a great view of the back of a semi. Lake's very calm today. This bridge is 5 miles long. It's opened up. It's built like in the 40s, late 40s, early 50s. Opened up in 54, I think. I'm not positive. My dad remembers taking a ferry across here before the bridge was built. This bridge is the second largest suspension bridge in the United States. The Golden Gate's the only one that's larger. It costs $4 to cross, or like me with this box fan now, it costs me $10. So every time I go across this, it costs me $10. We'll be coming up to the toll booths here in a little bit. And after we go to the toll booth, we're in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, which I haven't been to since October. So right over there is the Upper Peninsula. I'm west of the bridge. I'm sort of between. Well, I'm over by Escanaba. That's where I'm at. Where my place is. And I haven't been to my place since October or sometime. Can't remember when I left. I think it was around the 18th, 19th of October. Gotta get my wallet out. I hope they have change for a 20. I think they take credit cards too. What? Up here, this blue sign tells you what you gotta pay, what kind of vehicle you have. That says $5 an axle. I only have 2 axles. They still charge me $10. Cars are 4. I don't know. Doesn't seem right to me. But it sure beats him to take a ferry. This one says open, so I can go in here and pay my $10. Hello. Thank you. You too. As much money as I had before I crossed that bridge. They took half my money. I only had $20. Okay, up here, now's my choices. I can go to Sault Ste. Marie, Mackinac, Escanaba, or St. Ignace. I am going to take US 2, go towards Mackinac and Escanaba. That's my destination. Well, I hope you found that to be interesting. Crossing the Mackinac Bridge. I started about the middle. I meant to do the whole thing. However, I didn't do it. Okay, I gotta turn here. Mackinac and Escanaba. I'll shut her off now.